This video explores the philosophical concept of possible worlds, alternative ways things could have been, to clarify ideas about necessity, possibility, and contingency. It addresses how possible worlds help distinguish essential properties from contingent ones and resolve logical puzzles, such as the relationship between divine foreknowledge and human freedom, or the nature of bachelorhood. Concept of possible worlds. Possible worlds represent all the ways things could have been. They are used not just for fun or science fiction, but to explore deeper aspects of reality and philosophical concepts. Modality, which includes necessity, possibility, and contingency. Possible worlds help understand modality, how things can be necessary, possible, or contingent. An object's essential property is something it holds in every possible world where it exists. A necessary proposition is true in all possible worlds. Example of bachelors and necessity. The idea that bachelors are necessarily unmarried does not imply that every bachelor is unmarried in every possible world. Being unmarried is not a necessary property in all possible worlds, only in the context where a person is considered a bachelor. Aquinas argues that foreknowledge doesn't negate human freedom. God's foreknowledge shows what will happen, but it doesn't mean actions are necessarily fixed or inevitable in every world. Distinguishing properties across worlds. If a property exists in every possible world where an individual exists, it is essential to that individual. If a property exists in some but not all possible worlds, it is contingent. The actual world and other possible worlds. The world we live in is just one of the many possible worlds named Alpha in this framework. Other worlds represent alternate ways the universe could have unfolded, for example, personal choices or events happening differently. Clarifying logical errors. Possible worlds clarify logical missteps, such as in the case of Alex's bachelorhood. Being a bachelor in one world doesn't imply bachelorhood in all worlds. Similarly, foreknowledge doesn't eliminate the possibility of free actions in other worlds. This video uses possible worlds as a philosophical tool to explore the nature of necessity, freedom, and logical reasoning, helping clarify complex issues like divine foreknowledge and human freedom, or the essential nature of properties. Make the background music mysterious and frightening.